Day two in Dubai, so we come to kind of mambos like UK mambo. So it's like a mambo kind of children activities place. Well, I can't show you the children around because you know it's Arab. What if they want mine? But I can show you the and you can hear me. So yeah. We don't want to post him and his children and his wife. But yeah, it's quite nice. I show you the floor, okay? So this is the floor. This is Mr. Khan. What do you say?
What I can say?
You happy?
Yeah, it's good here and there. Holiday.
हमें यहाँ देखे और हलाल वगैरह में आए so halal wagamama. So we almost finished and now I remember to record it. My favorite is sweet. And now we come.
It's called dragon fruit.
Oh, this is dragon fruit. A beautiful girl. Abba meet me. She's originally from India and she moved to Dubai. So if you're watching Sabah, my vlog, nice to meet you, love you. I see you soon, inshallah. So someone like Sabah meet me here and there, like in different countries. Like in UK is okay, I understand because loads of people, my follower, my YouTube family watch me from UK. But when I met someone in Pakistan and Dubai and some other country, I feel really happy. So when Sabah come to me and she hugged me, I just really feel blessed. Hi guys, day 3 and me and Mr. Khan going to safari ride. I've been to safari ride like 6-7 times before, but for him it's the first time. Yeah, and I don't know, is he gonna like it or no? But obviously he's gonna like the barbecue dinner because he's more of barbecue dinner, isn't it? So we met this brother. He's from Pakistan. He's our driver, and he's actually Pathan. So he's gonna take us to the safari ride, inshallah, and then from there to the entertainment, and from the entertainment to back home. So if Papa's happy, we can stay watch all the entertainment. I know he's not gonna like the belly dancer. I'm sure I know that he's not gonna watch that. But yeah, the rest we can do it. And then he book us the private car because he don't want us to go to other people, and as well as that he wants us whenever we get tired we can come back. So that's the reason. So inshallah, see you over there. Well, I show you the way about 8-9 times, so I don't need to show you anymore because I think I post about 7-8 vlogs about the way. But still, just buildings. So पापा आगे आगे रन करता है, ये नहीं सोचता कि मैं पीछे हूँ. जवान आदमी है ना, you're a जवान आदमी.
It's a new place.
It is. Come on. So it's too hot. I don't know. Oh my God, Wiggy. Come on, you have to feed me Wiggy, okay? He hates my Wiggy. Wiggy is sweet corn. Oh guys, look at that. There's loads of things new here. Since last time I come with Nafia. A squad biking too. No. Let's see. Papa gonna give me ride on why. So let's see, okay? Yes, hello, Pai. Let's see how he can do it. Let's go, Mr. I come here on this ride 5-6 times with my children, you know, but when you come with your partner, it's amazing. So don't think you're old woman. Just do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just take your partner and go wherever you want. I'll fulfill your wishes, okay? Kyunki age is just a number. So, enjoy your life. And look, I'm going to show you how Papa Khan is. He's very fast. Wali. बहुत मजा आ रहा है अच्छा fresh juice, orange juice. Guys, we are in desert and Papa really enjoy it. I just like it. And this, he asked me to put this bird in hand. I said no, we got the dry one in our house. You enjoy that?
Yes.
And the sunset is so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. So we just did some photography here, and Papa just like this desert, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Papa like anything related to Rasulullah, isn't it? Because desert was in his time. So when he talk about Rasulullah, then that's it. Okay, now we're gonna just have a little bit of photography here and then to our next point. So see you there. You sit first. Yeah. Can you manage? He said don't sit on me. Is it? I did sit before. Yeah. Camel ride. He says stupid. It's nice, man. God, it's so hot. So this is our last point. Papa's tired now. It's the safari last thing. And now we're gonna watch the show. Obviously Papa now gonna watch the belly dancing. My face is red. I'm feeling hot and tired as well. And this is our last bit. We're gonna eat our barbecue dinner and then home.